In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to adjust the duration of a video effect in CapCut Desktop. First, open the CapCut Desktop app on your computer. Once it launches, you can either create a new project or open an existing one, depending on where you are in your editing process. If you're starting fresh, just create a new project and import your footage. If you already have a project in progress, open it so you can continue working right where you left off. Next, add a video effect to your project if you haven't already done that. This is important because you'll need an effect on the timeline before you can adjust its duration. Once the effect has been added, look down at the timeline and locate the effect layer. This is the area that shows exactly where the effect appears in your video and how long it lasts. After you find the effect layer, click on it to select it. Selecting the layer makes it active, which allows you to edit its timing. Then move your cursor to either the beginning or the end of that effect layer, depending on which side you want to change. You'll need to hover carefully for a moment and wait for the resize cursor to appear. This change in cursor lets you know that CapCut is ready for you to adjust the effect's length. Once the resize cursor appears, click and drag the edge of the effect layer. If you drag outward, you'll increase the duration of the effect so it stays on screen longer. If you drag inward, you'll shorten the duration so the effect ends sooner. This gives you precise control over how the effect fits with your footage and overall pacing. When the effect is the length you want, release the mouse button. Then take a quick look at the updated effect length on the timeline to confirm the change visually. After that, click the play button to preview the video. Watch the effect during playback so you can see how it feels in motion, not just on the timeline. If it doesn't look quite right, go ahead and make additional adjustments as needed. Sometimes a small change can make the effect feel much smoother and better timed with the clip. Once everything looks good and plays back the way you want, you can confirm that the effect duration has been successfully updated. That's it. You've now adjusted the duration of a video effect in CapCut Desktop quickly and accurately.